Welcome to my channel. Myself Subbalakshmi from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pairing with the USN 1VE21CS 164. Today we are going to discuss about different types of desktop operating systems and mobile operating systems. And the contents to be covered in this section are: what is an operating systems, and the definition of desktop operating systems and mobile operating system with few examples, and the comparison between the desktop operating systems and mobile operating systems. So what is an operating system? An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the system hardware and the user. It also handles all the interactions between the software and the hardware. All the working of a computer system depends on the operating system at the base level. It performs all the functions like handling memory, processes, the interaction between the hardware and software, etc. Few examples of operating systems are Windows, which is a graphical user interface based; Mac OS, used for Apple's personal computers and workstations; Android, Google's operating system for smartphones, tablets, smartwatches; iOS, Apple's OS for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. So what is a desktop operating system? It is an operating system which is a software that controls the hardware and other software on a user's machine, such as desktop or laptop. It is also called as client operating system. It provides services and interfaces for application and users to interact with the computer. These are the few desktop operating systems. And the types of operating system. First is Windows operating system. Windows operating system is a graphical user interface based operating system. This operating system was developed by Microsoft, and this is the most popular operating system all over the world. The reason for its popularity is user interface. Windows operating system is the user-friendly operating system that allows the user to do all the things that other operating systems do not provide. Like they can run any software in this operating system, store any files or data, download or watch any video on the internet. The main thing is it provides the user to play any games in the operating system and many other things it allows. The first release of this operating system was in November 1985 with the name Micro System Disk Operating System. After that, Microsoft released many other versions of Windows. A few versions of their release are Windows 1.0, Windows 3.0, Windows 95, Windows NT 3.1, 3.51, 4.0, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, etc. Macintosh operating system. Macintosh operating system is also a graphical user interface based operating system which is introduced by Apple, an American computer company, in 1984. This operating system is built with Unix related system, and it is designed to use for personal use, like we can use it for browsing, watching movies and series, listening songs, using email, video call, playing games, etc. and many other types of work. The first version of released from Apple with the name of Mac OS X in March 2001. After that, they released many other versions of Mac OS. They are Mac OS X 10.1 Puma, Mac OS X 10.2 Jaguar, Mac OS X 10.3 Panther, Mac OS X 10.4 Tiger, Mac OS X 10.6 Snow Leopard, and many other. Then the next is Linux operating system. Linux operating system is an open source software. It is Unix-like operating system that is based on Linux kernel. As it is an open source software, it means we can use it for free and it is freely available. This operating system is designed to run on hardware from phones to high-level computers. Like it is mostly used in medium-sized computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, etc. and many other high levels of computers. The first release of this operating system was in September 1991 by Linus Torvalds with the name Linux 0.01. There are some popular Linux distributions are Linux Mint, Red Hat Enterprise, Ubuntu, Linux, Fedora operating system and many others. The next is mobile operating system. Mobile operating system is a software that allows smartphones, tablets, and other devices to run applications and programs. A mobile operating system which provides an interface between the device hardware components and its software functions. It typically starts when a device powers on, presenting a screen with icons or tiles that show information and provide application access. Mobile operating system also manage cellular and wireless network connectivity and phone access. There are many mobile operating systems. The following demonstrate the most important ones: Palm operating system, Symbian operating system, Linux operating system, BlackBerry operating system, Google Android platform, and iPhone operating system. Let us discuss them one by one. These are the few mobile operating systems. The first is Android operating system. The Android operating system is the most common operating system among the mobile operating systems. Google is the developer of the Android. Moreover, it is an open source and free operating system. This operating system is based on the Linux kernel. The name for every new version of update is based on desserts. For example, cupcake, donut, Oreo, KitKat, etc. Bada. Samsung is the launcher of this operating system. It came into market in 2010. Moreover, it includes features like 3D graphics, application installation, multi-point, touch, etc. The next is BlackBerry operating system. The developer of this operating system is Research in Motion. It was specifically designed for BlackBerry devices. Furthermore, it is useful for corporate users. The next is Apple iOS. After Android, it is one of the most popular operating system. It is designed to run on Apple devices such as iPhones, iPad, tablets, etc. Moreover, like the Android devices have the Play Store for apps download, likewise the Apple iOS contains the App Store. Also, it has very strong security features. The next is Symbian operating system. Symbian Limited is the developer of this operating system. Moreover, Nokia was the first to use this operating system on its mobile phones. Furthermore, it provides high-level integration with communication. This operating system is based on Java language. The next is Palm operating system. Its other name is Garnet operating system. Palm Limited is its developer which developed this operating system for use in personal digital assistants. Next is Windows Mobile Operating System. The developer of this operating system is Microsoft. It is basically designed for pocket PCs and smartphones. Moreover, it has features of computer-based Windows operating system and additional features for mobile phones. The next is comparison between the mobile operating system and desktop operating systems. The main differences between the mobile and the desktop operating system are as follows. A mobile operating system is a type of operating system that allows application software to operate on mobile devices. On the other hand, the desktop operating system is the environment in which a user handles a personal computer. The mobile operating system uses a flash drive to store the data. On the other hand, the desktop operating system uses hard drives and flash drives to store the data. Mobile operating system needs minimum RAM to optimize, whereas the desktop operating system needs huge memory to operate. The mobile operating system handles cellular and wireless connectivity device access. On the other hand, the desktop operating system handles software and hardware resources of the system. The mobile operating system runs on touchscreen or touchpad devices, whereas the desktop operating system runs through many input devices including mouse, keyboard, etc. Mobile operating system takes less time to boot. On the other hand, the desktop operating system boots much slower. The mobile operating system is optimized to work under fewer power requirements and has a feature to avoid energy loss. On the other hand, the desktop operating system is not readily optimized for energy loss. Some examples are mobile operating systems are Apple iOS, BlackBerry operating system, iPhone, Google Android, BADA, Symbian operating system, Palm operating system, Windows mobile operating system, Harmony operating system, Web operating system, etc. Whereas few examples of desktop operating systems are Windows 10, Mac OS, Windows Vista, etc. Thank you for watching.